In this video, we will have a look at component state in React. As we have seen so far, every React component returns JSX, which describes the user interface. And in the last video, we saw that it is possible to influence what is rendered on the screen using props. As it turns out, there is a second way to influence what is rendered on the screen, and that is the state of the component. Let's quickly review what we have learned about props and make a comparison by learning about state. After that, let's dive into an example to get a better understanding of how state works in React components. Let's take a look at the comparison first. The first one is that props gets passed to the component, whereas state is managed within the component. Analogy for this would be function parameter against variables declared within the function body, because a parent usually passes down the props to the children component. Props are immutable. The parent owns the props and cannot be changed by the children. State, on the other hand, is managed within the component, and hence the component has fully control to the state, and it can be changed within the component itself. In functional components, props can be accessed using the props parameter, and in class components, props can be accessed using this .props.state. On the other hand, state can be accessed using useStateHook in functional components and this .state in class components. Well, that is the comparison between props and state in React components. Ultimately, both props and state hold information that influences the UI in the browser. Alright, with this understanding, let's take a look at an example on how state can be used in class components in the next video.